All right, so today, this is Les Waller, Financial Independence Resource Education. So making shorts videos, which is really a hot item on YouTube right now. What do you do if you've got a landscape video that you want to upload as a portrait video? This is what I'm doing here with World of Tanks on my gaming videos. I, of course, am recording in landscape mode. As you can see here, we've already edited the file. Now the files need to be 58 seconds or less. And you can see here, this is 1 minute and 4 seconds. Actually, I am going to extend that out a little more. You'll see why in a minute. Basically, what I have to allow for the recording to start recording. If I leave it at 58 seconds, then this won't work. So I need to extend the front. I need to pre-pen video to the front of this, and then I can edit that out. We have this now. It's still in landscape mode, which is fine. This is completely edited the way we want it. Start here. First thing we do is as soon as we hit these 2 arrows, it's going to start playing. This is in iMovie. So we hit this, start, then Command Shift 5. Make sure that's centered. Record. So you see why I have to have the lead time. Okay, it stopped. So now the next thing I have to do is minimize my iMovie playback. And then I can go ahead and stop the recording. And then we click Done. And then we'll record the rest on the computer. Okay, we've imported the recorded portion using the portrait capture. And now because this video is 59 seconds, we want to take it and make sure it is 58 or less. So we'll take off this front part like we said. You can see here, yeah, right there is where it should end. Okay. I guess we do have it then. So our video is only 39 seconds. Okay, so from here, it's the same thing as before. Now we've got a portrait video just like we captured on our iPhone. So the first thing we need to do before we save it is we flip it to the right. Then we save it. Because it still has to be edited in QuickTime. Boom. Boom. That's better. You can see it's not quite right though. My format's not correct. But I am going to go with it. I'm not going to change it again. I thought I saw that earlier too. Edit, flip left. Do that. Remember what we named it. So make sure your format's right. My format there is not correct. I did a Google search to find the correct format. I might still have it up. I put on the height of my screen, which was 1150, so the correct width is actually 647. So somehow mine changed between yesterday and today. Derpentine is what I called it. Yep, see now we've got it in the right format here. So I'm gonna leave that black there. That's fine. I doubt that anybody's gonna say a thing. So basically that's it. Then you just upload it to your YouTube channel and make sure you got pound shorts on the title and pound shorts on the description. And after several days, it will take off. So in my first video, I showed you some of the results that we had gotten. So in this video, I wanted to show you some more results. So look at little John here. We click on this video now. So when I said I was doing really good before with results, you can see here 734 608 views. That's in an hour's time frame. 2,715 views. But my estimated revenue is only 5 cents. Typically, for 1,000 views on a normal video, you're going to earn $1. But as you can see here, these shorts videos aren't earning me very much at all. If anything, I might earn something if somebody looks at a shorts video and then goes to my channel and looks at other videos. So it's a minute video with 2,715 views. It gave me 20 hours of view time. So working towards your 4,000 hours for the year, this will work. It'll help. Working towards earning money if you're already monetized, not so much. Working towards subscribers, not so much. I've only gained maybe 5 subscribers these past few days that I've been doing this, and it has not been very helpful. So make sure you upload the right videos. You only have to upload it once. We got shorts, so I do a Control or Command C, and then I do a Control V down here, so I get the title there as well. So I got Pound Shorts in the title, Pound Shorts in the description, and I do go ahead now and fill in the tags because it's going to take several days for this to hit. So there's still people who are subscribed to your channel that would be interested in seeing it before it becomes a shorts video. So I'm going to fill in these tags with related stuff. The gaming, we can put that to help find people that will want to watch your stuff. Anyway, I'm going to end this recording here. I've shown you pretty much what I wanted to show you.